Hi everyone, my name is Prakriti Gurung and I'm from grade 9. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a tetrahedron, also known as a triangular base pyramid, from the paper folding method. All you need is paper and glue, so let's start. First, you're going to take your A4 sheet and you're going to fold it like this to make a square. You have to press hard so that the lines will come. Now you have to cut this part because you have to get a square. Yeah. You have to cut it. Oh my god. Yeah. Now you're going to fold it one more time, like this. You have to press on it very hard. Now you're going to fold it one more time. Oh my God. You're going to fold it again, but this time you're going to fold it like this because you can't fold it one more time. Now you're going to unfold the paper. God. As you can see, there are many lines. So now you just have to fold it inwards like this. Wait, let me make them sharper. Okay. Now you've got these lines. You gotta fold it inwards like this and put this to the side so you have like a cap. Then you fold these flaps inwards and then you glue them. Take your glue and then you glue it like this. Oh, I recommend you glue this part as well because it might come off. Now you glue the last flap in. Now you have a tetrahedron. Now you have a tetrahedron. But using this, you can make something bigger or something more bigger. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I really hope you guys learned something new. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.